Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So to my old subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch my videos. And to my new subscribers, you are welcome. I promise you, you will love and love every bit of this channel, okay? So stay tuned. So guys, today we're making hibiscus drink. I just hope that's the correct pronunciation. But it's also known as ZOBO drink. Let's just leave it at ZOBO drink, okay? So I got this from one of the local markets in Abuja, Wuse Market to be precise. And guys, it's a local market, so definitely there will be deaths to pick out. But if it's a supermarket, I think there won't be much to do. Now, can you see this? What is this? What is this? So next is to rinse with a cold water. So if there is sand in your zobo leaf, this will help bring it down. So you just sieve after this process, okay? Mind you, it's not hot water, it's cold water, okay? So guys, I think the water I used is not enough. I had to pour in more water, then set aside to settle down. So I left this for about 5 to 7 minutes, and guys, we are ready to cook our zobo. So first, I put in my pineapple peel. Guys, I'm so sorry. The actual pineapple did not make it to this video. You know what I'm talking about, okay? So you want to set this down so the flavor can infuse directly to your zobo leaf, okay? Guys, I'm telling you for free, this is the best way to make and enjoy your zobo drink, trust me. So guys, if you've not subscribed to this channel yet, what are you waiting for? Subscription is totally free of charge. Please do well to subscribe, like, comments. Your comments are everything, guys. Please comment, share, and turn on your notification bell. Thank you. So next is our clove, and I'm using 1/4 cup of clove. And guys, if clove is not in your zobo drink, bro, that is not zobo drink, okay? And next, I added my pounded ginger, and this depends on what you can take. So my ginger is looking like this because it's frozen, okay? So as usual, guys, I'm going to be listing everything I use for this recipe on the description box. So do well to check the description box, okay? So next, I added my orange with the peel. The peel adds more flavor to your zobo drink, trust me. And next, I poured in my hot water. I think I poured in 2 liters of hot water. And guys, we are cooking this on a low heat, very low. This will help infuse all the flavors to your zobo drink, okay? Guys, it's exactly 40 minutes, okay? So let's check on our zobo. So now I stirred to combine. And guys, I noticed the water is not enough, so I had to pour in extra 1 liter of hot water. Remember, we're using hot water, okay? So finally, our zobo is ready and quarter to be enjoyed. So I left this for like 30 minutes to cool off, then sieve. And guys, guess what? You can enjoy this any time of the day. You can also make this for your family and friends, for parties as well. So here we are. For sweetener, I added this honey zobo. And guys, it's actually my first time. And guess what, guys? I love the outcome. So for extra flavor, I added a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Now this is totally optional. I added my pineapple flavor, then stir well, stir very well. So after stirring, I sieve, and finally guys, our zobo is ready. And finally guys, our zobo is ready to be enjoyed. Guys, I'm not capping, this was so good. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.